Hi, this is Dr. Edward Park. I'm explaining my book, Exosomes, Songs of Healing. I believe they are the future, exosomes that is, and some people think Bitcoin is the future. We accept Bitcoin now. I've written 4 screenplays, and when I was pitching them, they would always say, well, sell the sizzle. Here's the sizzle of exosomes. Hair restoration, nerve paralysis reversal, and in the case on the left, leaky gut, mast cell activation, and irritable bowel gone. So who am I? I'm a medical doctor. I was trained at Harvard for my undergrad and my residency, and at Columbia for my medical degree and my master's in public health. In 2018, I had known about exosomes, but I saw a doctor describe his experience with a motorcycle accident, and he had broken 9 ribs, collarbone, and his ankle, and was up there laughing and telling jokes. So I thought, I'll try this on myself. It fixed my meniscal tear, my Achilles, and my rotator. And since then, I've done over 2,000 treatments in 5 states where I'm licensed. I'm an invited speaker and author, and I also create an online provider training course. You see a picture of my mom after her first treatment. She said, come see me, I look younger. And this is her just last week getting her 35th treatment at 85. She's independent and loving it. Above, my 21-year-old son tore his meniscus. This is a video of it. We gave him knee injections, and his meniscus is now back to 100%. So what are exosomes? They're less than 1,000th the diameter. They're teeny tiny. We didn't really know about them until about 14 years ago. They're messages in a bottle, and they're protected from the surrounding environment by these spheres. So we don't need the baby, which are the cells. We just need the teeny tiny exosomes in the bathwater. The book goes a lot into what aging is, and here's a picture of my son this Christmas in Mumbai. The Trimurti is the 3 forms. The god Shiva is the god destruction, the god Vishnu of maintenance, and the god Brahma of creation. And we use this as a very effective analogy to describe aging. The actual procedures we've been doing for the last 5 years, nasal and IV are number 1. Nasal for cognitive enhancement and decreasing neuroinflammation. But we also do a lot of knees, shoulders, backs, and hips. So in conclusion, I created 53 illustrations for you. Access to 5 years worth of my blogs, videos, and lectures are there. The training course is accessible. And also we have over 113 scientific citations. The book is on Amazon in paperback color, ebook, and audiobook narrated by me. And just to quote about the future, William Gibson, who was one of the creators of the cyberpunk genre, said that the future is already here. It is just unevenly distributed. And if you knew the names of the influencers and famous people that have been using them for more than 5 years, you would agree. I think the book is simple, funny, hopeful, and you're going to feel smarter. So if you want to learn more, go to rechargebiomedical.com, sign up for my newsletter for my weekly blogs, or you can go to YouTube as well and sign up for DRPARK65. All right, Exosomes, Songs of Healing. Go out and buy it. Thank you.